once again in accountancy class. In previous class we discussed regarding the past adjustment of interest on capital. Today we will go ahead with the concept of interest on drawings. So let it be. Please switch over to the problem number 35, which is appear on page number 1.110. First we go through the problem carefully. What is the problem? X, Y and Z are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2:1. After the final accounts had been prepared, it was discovered that interest on drawings at the rate of 5% per annum had not been taken into consideration. The drawings were partners X 15,000, Y 12,600 and Z 12,000. Give the necessary adjusting and. Here this question based on interest on drawings, firm omitted to be recorded that particular part. You know the concept of interest on drawings. You know the very well how we calculate the interest on drawings. In previous classes we know it very well, and I told you in advance, मैंने पहले भी आपको बोला था कि पूरा fundamentals एक-एक step से interrelated. Means जब हमने interest on drawings को सीखा था तो वो आपके दिमाग में concept हमेशा रहना चाहिए, और वही concept यहाँ पर applicable है. Problem हमारी क्या कह रही है? ये problem X, Y and Z, ये तीन पार्टनर्स हैं. इनका प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो 3:2:1. 3:2:1. Is it clear? And they withdrew drawings duration of the year X 15,000. X का ड्राइंग्स कितना है? 15,000 है. Y का ड्राइंग्स कितना है? Y का ड्राइंग्स 12,600 है. और Z का ड्राइंग 12,000. Interest on drawings की rate 5% है. We know it very well. I told you in advance, when the direct amount is given of the drawings, we used to calculate interest on drawings on 6 monthly basis. So let it be, if we calculate interest on drawings, rate would be a 5%. What is the amount of interest on drawings of X into 6/12? This amount would be 375. This is the interest on drawings of X. 12,600 into 5/100 into 6/12. What is the amount of drawings? 12,600 का 5% कितना हुआ? कितना होगा 12,000 का 5%? 630, and this amount would be a 350. The amount of Z interest on drawings 5/100 into 6/12. This is a specific amount. What? That amount would be 300. We discuss if the firm will not charge the interest on drawings. Is it clear? अगर firm interest on drawings को charge नहीं करती है तो ये amount हमारा कितना हो रहा है? 990 रुपीस से हमारा प्रॉफिट कम हुआ होगा. बहुत ध्यान से सुनना है, समझना है. अगर फर्म ने इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स चार्ज नहीं किया, इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स कितना था? 5% पर एनम था. फर्म ऑमिट कर गई, भूल गई, और भूल करने पर फर्म का प्रॉफिट कितने से कम हुआ होगा 990 से। तो यहाँ पर जो स्टेटमेंट हमने इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल वाला बनाया था उसका अपोजिट यहाँ पर बनेगा। मींस दिस पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट ऑफ लॉस debited in partner's capital account. So for we have to rectify this particular part, we have to credit this particular part. So let it be how we draw the specific format. बड़े ध्यान से देखना है। ये हमने बनाया how many partners we had? We had 3 partners X, Y and Z. X, Y, Z. What the language we use? This already debited, now we have to credit it. So you have to write amount, first point. This is your first point. Amount already debited now credited. First step. What is the amount? Would be 990 would be credited in the ratio 3:2:1. So 990 divided by 6. What will the result? 990 divided by 6. 90 divided by 6. So for Z it would be 165. For Y it would be 165 into 2, 330, and 165 into 3, 490. This particular part we have to debit. We have to credit. Because our profit, our amount 990 would be a loss for the firm, and which already debited, which is now going to be a credited. What we want to do? हमें क्या करना था? हमें interest on drawings को charge करना था. Interest on drawings partners capital account में कहाँ पर जाता है? Debit side में जाता है. Second step हम क्या लिखेंगे? Amount now debit. What amount we are going to debit it? That is interest on drawings. And what is the amount of interest on drawings? 375, 350 and 300. This is a part of your debit. Now we have to compare these two. For X 495 for credit, X का credit balance 495 है, डेबिट का बैलेंस 375 है, तो 120 किसका बैलेंस बचा? 120 बैलेंस आपका क्रेडिट का बचा है क्योंकि क्रेडिट की टोटल ज्यादा है. Y का क्रेडिट 330 है, डेबिट का 315 है, 15 रुपीस Y का किसका बचा? ये Y का क्रेडिट का बचा. Z का 300 डेबिट है और 165 क्रेडिट है, तो इसका डेबिट का कितना बचा? 135 रुपीस फॉर डेबिट. Clear? Now we have to do the rectified entry. Rectified entry. Now each and everything is clear. So what the entry? Its answer like this: Z capital account debit. amount 135 to X capital account $120 and to Y capital account $15. This is answer. It's a very simplest approach. Once again, see the process. In previous class, we make a justice with interest on capital. This question based on interest on drawings does the opposite. Is it clear? In this particular problem, X, Y and Z partners थे. उनका प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो 3:2:1 था. उनका ड्राइंग्स 15,000, 12,600 and 12,000 रुपीस था. 5% इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स को चार्ज करना था. इज इट क्लियर? हमने इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स निकाल लिया क्योंकि इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स जब डायरेक्ट अमाउंट दिया होता है तो 6 मंथली लगता है. 375, 315 and 300, it's a 990. अब हम सिंपली देखेंगे, जब हमने 990 चार्ज नहीं किया होगा तो इतने से फर्म का प्रॉफिट कम हुआ, यानी मींस वी कैन ट्रीट इट्स अ लॉस. जब ये 990 का लॉस हुआ था तो इसको पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट में डेबिट किया. लॉस डेबिट साइड में जाता है. फर्स्ट स्टार्टिंग में मैंने आपको बताया था. अब उसको रेक्टिफाई करना है, उसको हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? क्रेडिट करना पड़ेगा. ये 990 को अमाउंट ऑलरेडी डेबिटेड, नाउ क्रेडिटेड. 990 3:2:1. We do it X, Y, Z, 3 partners in a ratio 3:2:1, 495, 330 and 165. Now which for the rectification purpose this error we did in advance, now it would be credited. What we want to do? हमें क्या करना था? हमें interest on drawings चार्ज करना था. We know it very well. Interest on drawings partners capital account में कहाँ पर आता है? It will be coming in debit side. So we write amount now debited. Interest on drawings 375 for X, 315 for Y and 300 for Z. Then we make a comparison. 495 X credit balance, debit balance 375. So the X have a credit balance 120, Y 330 credit balance, 315 debit balance, 15 rupees again credit balance for Y, and Z 165 for credit and 300 for debit. So the 135 would be the debit balance, and we make it. This is your adjusting entry. So student, go for the concept. Concept पे जाएंगे, and you have to do question number 36A. You will try question number 36A. You have to try this particular problem which we discuss today itself right now, and you have to try and you will get the answer 101%. A, B and C partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio 4:3:2. After the preparation of final account for the year, it was discovered that interest on drawings had not been taken into account. Interest on drawings of partners, here the interest on drawings itself is given, so one part we are free for regarding the calculation of interest on drawings. It's already calculated. 300, 220 and 200. Give necessary adjustment entry. You will do it in that particular manner. You will get the answer and reply me on my WhatsApp now. You will try. Then tomorrow class 36B. It's a very good question, conceptual question and important question for 6 marks. Thank you.